Hi everybody, it's Robert at graspcast.com with another video for you to enjoy. Thank you for watching my show.
Today we're installing the new smart thermostat by Amazon. This is typical of a radiant boiler heating system with a single zone and a tankless coil for hot water. Our wall plate is already on the wall. In this case we have it on standoffs to make it easier for installation in demonstration mode. The existing setup would have two wires, and they would be connected to the R and W terminals of the existing thermostat. There might be additional wires, or wires of different colors, but in either case they would be connected to the R and the W. If you've got different wires, you might want to use the included wire markers to identify which wires you'll be using and their locations. In this case we have a red wire for R and a white wire for W, so there's no need to mark them. You want to strip the wires about 1/4 to 3/8 inch as shown on the strip gauge. And to connect them, they just push into the appropriate terminals. Make sure the wires are straight. Cut clean and without bends. We'll put the W wire. We need to add an additional 2 wires for power for this particular thermostat. The blue switch on the wall plate gets pushed down to expose the RC terminal. We're going to connect the 24 volt power to RC, and we'll connect the white common wire to C. Push the wires into the hole. We have R and W connections for heating, RC and C terminal for power. Now that we have the thermostat wired on a demo board, we can apply the power. It'll take a few seconds for the thermostat to boot up. Now we can see the thermostat has lit up and it's in set mode. According to the instructions, we go to the Alexa app and we'll set this thermostat up. If you haven't already done so, download the app and set up an account, and we'll follow this procedure. We've launched the Alexa app on an Android phone. When the app is open, go down to the bottom right, click More. We're going to add a device. Scroll down to Thermostat. Click that. The brand is Amazon. It's already been installed. Click yes. The display is on. Yes. We're going to connect the thermostat to the application. The instruction manual comes with a QR code, as shown here. And it's also on the back of the thermostat if you lose this paperwork. Let's scan the barcode. It's looking for the thermostat. This will take several minutes. I'll go ahead and fast forward it here so we speed this process up a bit. We found the thermostat. Now it's connecting to the local Wi-Fi. thermostat's connected to the Wi-Fi. We'll continue to set up by clicking Next. We're going to select family room for the location. Click Continue. It's asking for the wires that we've connected to the terminals for the thermostat. So we're going to choose R and W. That's the heating. RC and C, the common for the power. We'll confirm this. We're not using a forced air system. And yes, we do have a radiant system. You can see some activity on the thermostat. We've changed from set to the off position. Now we can test the thermostat. Confirm yes that the heat turned on. We have two options on how to control this thermostat. The automatic control by Alexa, which uses hunches. It looks at the occupancy of the home, whether you're awake or sleeping. But for now, we're going to keep it simple and select daily schedule. We'll click later here. We can learn more about the thermostat if we want. And it's it. It's ready. Click Done. We see the screen of the thermostat on our phone. We'll do a quick test. Set the mode to heat. We'll run the temperature up. And we can see that the changes we make on the phone are now affecting the thermostat on the wall. This thermostat can be controlled on the wall like a manual thermostat. We'll set it to heat mode. We can adjust the temperature up or down. We've locked in on 75 degrees and the heat is on. Shows the current temperature is 68 degrees. We can turn the heat off. It's a pretty simple setup. We can control from the phone or on the wall. So that completes this demonstration of installing this thermostat with a separate power supply and getting it configured in the Alexa app.
Thank you again for spending your valuable time with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to leave a comment or ask a question about this topic, and maybe I will shoot a video just for you.